Today's video is about how to replace multiple values in Power Query in a single step. This is our source data, which contains manager names with country codes. Some name has more than one country codes. Here is our replacement table with country code and country name. And this is our expected result. I'll start this from scratch here. First, I'll try to do this in multiple steps, and then I will consolidate into a single step. I will insert a step here, and I will refer our source table. I'll try to pick a name with more than one country codes. Right click and select drill down. I'll rename the step as name. This is in a text format, so I'll try to use text.split function to split the text by using the delimiter, which is comma and space. I'll close parenthesis and click on this tick mark. This has been converted into a list format. I'll rename the step as list1. Now I'll try to refer replacement table, and I'll try to convert this into a list within list structure using table.toRows function, which will help us to convert each rows into a list. And I will rename it as list2. Our function List.ReplaceMatchingItems will try to find a match of each items in list1 in each inner list of list2. If it finds a match with the first item, it will replace it with the second item. There won't be any match for manager names, so it remains as it is. It will only replace country codes with a country name. I will insert a step here, and I will start with List.ReplaceMatchingItems function. There are 3 arguments, but we can do it with 2 arguments. First argument is a list, in which I will refer list1. Second argument is replacements as list, in which I will refer our list2. I will close parenthesis and click on this tick mark. Here you can see country codes has been converted into country names. I'll delete all those manual steps, and I'll try to do this in a single step using Table.TransformColumns function. First argument is a table name, in which I will refer source table. Second argument is transform operations as list. We can provide a column name and transformation operation here, or I will feed an empty list, and I will use the third argument, which is the default transformation. Here I will use each underscore, and I will close parenthesis and click on the tick mark. This will transform each columns. Since we do have only one column, we can use this default transformation. Here underscore means each manager names. So now I'll try to split this using text.split function. The delimiter, comma and space. At the end, close parenthesis and click on this tick mark. This has been converted into a list. Now we can use List.ReplaceMatchingItems function. Names in a list format is our first argument. The second argument, I'll try to use Table.toRows function, and I will refer our replacements table. I'll close parenthesis for List.ReplaceMatchingItems and Table.TransformColumns function. Click on this tick mark. You can see here country codes has been converted into country names. Now I'll try to combine this list of items into a text by using text.combine function, which will help us to combine the list of items with the delimiter. In our case, delimiter is comma and space inside double quotes. Close parenthesis for text.combine and Table.TransformColumns function. Here is our expected result in a single step. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.